So in lesson 4, we're going to be learning about how plants and animals can change the earth and how people can change the earth's surface. So, the title of lesson 4, how can living things affect the earth's surface? It's a great day for the beach. We've had some great days lately too. You pack a lunch and put on sunscreen. At the beach, you make a fantastic sandcastle. You've changed the earth's surface. Don't worry, the wind and waves will change it again. Let's take a look and see what this next paragraph is about. The ways that plants and animals can change the earth. Recall that the roots of plants can cause weathering. The roots of trees can be especially strong. Look what they have done to the sidewalk over here in the picture. As the tree grew, the roots grew too. They became strong enough to crack the sidewalk. Roots can crack and move big boulders too. Trees and other plants also help the earth's surface. They protect the soil from erosion by wind and rain. Trees act like a shield against the wind. Their roots go deep into the soil. Roots help hold soil in place even when there is a great deal of rain. So the caption for this picture, tree roots were strong enough to break this sidewalk. What would they do to a rock? So if you're ever walking on a sidewalk and you see a crack by a tree, maybe you can remember this picture. But the tree roots were so strong they broke up that pavement. Plants are especially helpful on hills or other slopes. So this is referring to helping with erosion. Here their roots help hold the soil and protect it against erosion by gravity. Animals change the earth's surface all the time. Some animals live deep in the soil. They change the surface of the earth as they dig through the soil. Earthworms, ants, and other small animals make tiny tunnels in soil. The tunnels allow water and air to mix into the soil. The waste that these animals leave also add nutrients to the soil. Other animals, such as groundhogs and these prairie dogs, also live in the ground. How did their homes change the earth's surface? So a prairie dog town. So we don't have prairie dog towns around here, but one time my kids and I visited an area and they sold us popcorn to feed to the prairie dogs, and they were super cute. And they live all through here. And they pop up and are super cute, but they do change the earth's surface a lot. Think about how they would change the earth's surface. Think about gophers and moles. We do have those around here. So, ways that people change the earth's surface. People change, it's on my finger now. People change the earth's surface when they dig into it, build on it, and plant in it. People do some things that cause erosion. They also do things that prevent erosion. The picture on these 2 pages show some ways that people cause and prevent erosion. So if you look at this picture, building roads. When people build roads, they dig into the earth. When the roads go through or around mountains, erosion can be a special danger. What kind of erosion should people worry about on this road in Asia? Well, we have roads like that. Well, not exactly like that, but similar to that, just going all the way to Medford or Eureka, huh? Curvy roads through mountains. What are the things we have to look for? This sign gives a special little indication. Wind fences. People put fences like these on beaches. Water might cause erosion here. Wind also blows away a great deal of sand. The fences shield the sand. They keep some of it from being blown away. So let's put picture down and look. So these are their wind fences. Sand's pretty small though. It can get through there pretty well, huh? But it also might pile up against them. Okay, farming. There's 2 different pictures of farming. Farmers change the earth's surface in order to raise food crops. Farmers need to know the best way to plant crops in order to prevent erosion. They also must know what kind of crops will help keep the soil in place. Sometimes, though, floods or other events happen. Then soil might be washed away, as on this farm. So see, they had a flood and it washed away some of their soil. Let's look down here and see what this caption says. Terraced farming. So in wet, hilly areas, farms might look like this one. These steps or terraces are cut into a hillside in Asia. This kind of farming prevents erosion by water and by gravity. The fields are flat across the hill instead of being on a slope. Soil would not be as likely to fall or be washed downhill. Make it where you can see the words. I'm not sure you can. It's pretty bad. Okay. Lesson 4 review. Here's the questions to answer today. What are some ways that plants and animals change the Earth's surface? How do people cause or prevent erosion? Cause and effect. Make a chart that lists the causes and effects of ways that living things change the Earth's surface. So get a piece of paper. On one side write cause, and on the other side write effect. And write down some of the things that living things do that could create or prevent erosion, and then the effect of that. Okay?